Okay, do we all have our titles? If you have it on a piece of, like, inside of a book, I want you to, like, tear the page out. Yes, I want you to tear the page out. Yes, that's what I said. Tear the page out. Tear the page out. Tear the page out. Let me see. Hold the page up. Hold it up now. Hold the page up. Everybody hold their page up. Did you tear it out? Hold it up. Hold it up. Come on, even in the back. Everybody hold their page up. Okay, now I want you to crumple it and throw it. Crumple it. Throw it to the front. I'll pick it up after. Don't worry. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Don't hit me. Throw it. Good job. Good job. Good job. Try. Let me see. Go. Woo! Almost. That was good. That was good. That was good. Oh, that was close. That was close. Okay. Have we thrown it? Everyone thrown it? Listen, there's a reason for that. There's a reason for that. Writing is editing. You will never, ever, 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 ever do your best writing on the first draft. Even if you loved it, you will never do your best writing on the first draft. My first novel took me 6 years to write. 6 years. Now, you shouldn't take 6 years on a book, so don't follow that path. But a lot of authors take a lot of time to write books. It takes them years between writing, editing, doing the research. It takes months, at least months. And your writing does not start. It doesn't start until you get through a first draft and you tear it up and you throw it away and you start over again. That's writing. So now we're ready to write.